If you're doing the ADI Part 3, everyone tells you that client-centered learning is the way to go. You need to ask questions, encourage reflection, personalize every lesson. You need to adapt to the individual. But here's the question nobody seems willing to ask. How can you be a client-centered instructor if your own training isn't client-centered? Because there's a massive contradiction in the way many instructors are being trained today. Now, I'm not attacking client-centered learning, quite the opposite. I think it is one of the biggest improvements ever made to driving instruction, although to be fair, it's always kind of been that way, but the focus is now more on that. What I'm questioning is, and this includes the big organisations, is how it's delivered. We're told not to lecture pupils, yet many trainee instructors spend hours sitting in classrooms or online Zoom rooms with 20 or 30 other people, just watching presentations. If that's the training experience, how are they supposed to become skilled coaches? So let's imagine something. A learner turns up for their first driving lesson. You don't let them touch the steering wheel. You don't ask them questions. You don't let them make decisions. You simply put them in the back seat while you drive around for 4 hours explaining how to drive. Are they then going to jump in the front seat and be a safe driver? Of course not. Because driving isn't learnt by watching, it's learnt by doing, making mistakes, receiving feedback, analysing mistakes, trying again. And that's exactly how some driving instructor training is delivered. How about if it comes to playing football? Imagine joining a football coaching course, but instead of kicking a ball, you spend every session watching slides about passing techniques and the offside rule. You never receive individual coaching, nobody watches your technique, and nobody corrects your positioning. Would you become a better footballer? No, because skills are developed through practice. Teaching is exactly the same. The biggest contradiction, the biggest hypocrisy of what trainees are told. Ask open questions, encourage self-evaluation, challenge thinking, adapt every lesson, agree goals together, personalised development. Fantastic, I completely agree. But then 25 trainees sit facing the screen or facing the front. Everyone receives the same presentation, exactly the same examples, exactly the same pace, exactly the same lesson. No adaptation, no personalised coaching, no individual development. Doesn't that sound like the complete opposite of client-centered learning? Every trainee is different. And here's the reality. Every trainee arrives with different strengths, different weaknesses, different experiences. One trainee may already have years of coaching experience. He may have taught lorry driving. He may have been a teacher. Another one may have not taught anyone before. They've only just done their 40 hours. One struggles with lesson planning. Another struggles with fault analysis. Someone else lacks confidence. Someone else over-instructs. So why are they all receiving identical training? Imagine if you taught every learner driver exactly the same way. Same route, same briefing, same speed, same exercises. You'd fail your ADI Part 3 before the lesson even started. But that is what a lot of PDIs are paying money for. If you pay money for training, every single training session should be client-centered learning. It should be your goals, what you want to go through, your strengths, your weaknesses. It shouldn't be you in a room full of other people. And then you often hear the point that I tried to ask a question at the end and I couldn't be heard because 20 other people were also asking questions. Do you know, good instructor training isn't about bigger classrooms, it's about better coaching. The trainer watches you, he challenges your thinking, he asks you questions, he sees where you lack knowledge, he lets you reflect, he identifies your weaknesses, he builds on your strengths. You create a development plan that's unique to you. That's exactly what we expect instructors to do with pupils. So surely trainee instructors should be taught the same way. If not, isn't that hypocrisy? See, client-centered learning isn't just something we teach, it's something trainees need to experience. You don't become a coach by sitting in a room listening about coaching. You become a coach by being coached. And perhaps that's the biggest lesson the instructor training industry needs to learn, that it's not what we say that's important, it's what we do. And if we're showing trainee instructors you don't need client-centered learning, you can just watch a presentation for an hour, then one, why should they go off and do what we say when we're not doing it? But two, we're going to leave a huge amount of gaps in that person's knowledge that they've probably already paid a huge amount of money for. Shouldn't we be helping them? So let us know your thoughts. Does your instructor training feel personalised? Was it one-to-one? Did it feel like you were just another face in the room? Let us know. Let's have an honest discussion about what good instructor training should actually look like. And if you enjoy videos that challenge the way we teach driving instructors, not just how we pass the exam, but how we truly teach, subscribe, because there's plenty more to come.